Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on Mountains SEM, Digital Surf's industry standard software for scanning electron microscope image analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to reconstruct a 3D model from 4 images obtained from an SEM. As you can see, I have opened Mountains and loaded 4 images obtained from a 4-quadrant SEM. In the Operators tab, I then select the Quad Image Reconstruction operator. Mountains automatically detects the 4 images to be used for reconstruction. I click on Suggest, and Mountains automatically positions the 4 images in the correct order. Note that you can visualize the result in real time in the white frame on the top right. There are also options for choosing how Mountains creates the new image layer. Choose a set of 2 complementary colors to colorize the image and make it easier for the eye to interpret. When you're ready, click on OK, and the reconstructed surface appears in the document. Now to obtain a 3D view, I click on the Studies tab and select 3D View. You can now carry out measurements such as distances, angles, volumes, and step heights on this surface. As with any 3D view in Mountains, I can zoom in on my surface, rotate it, amplify height, and even use the animated view to simulate flight over its features. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Mountains SEM video tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, check out another tutorial in this series.